Chapter 1 is the introduction. So when you are reading the textbook, you can read the textbook in the My Lab. You can open the ebook. You know, the chapter 1, there are so many topics because it is the introductions. So almost everything chapter 1 explained to us what we are going to do in the textbook. So many topics in chapter 1. But now here, I just choose, it's only the 2 topics. What is the population and what is the sample, okay? So today, I will give you the small lecture for the population and the sample. First, population. Here's a definition. The population is a collection of all individuals or items. So for example, now I wanna let me have a population here, and let me say I wanna ask something for to all students in UAFS. So the UAFS, it might be the population. I think we have 5,000, 6,000 students, right? So now I can say a collection of all students who register fall 2020. That can be the population, okay? And now, I want to know your math score, the math level. Because I'm teaching statistics, so I want to know your math level for everybody in UAFS. I think you took the ACT, right? And you submitted when you apply the university, right? So probably somewhere, somebody, they have your math scores. It's ACT math scores, right? So I can visit some office who has your score, where you submitted. Then when I ask somebody there, can I get all students' math scores? What do you expect? Can I get the score? Can I get your score? I think probably not. Because even though I'm one of the faculty member in math, they do not give me your score, right? But still, I want to know the math score, right? How about this way? Tonight, I email everybody. I email is every single student who register in fall 2020. If you will receive my email tonight, and I ask you, I introduce myself, my name is Dr. Can you tell me your score? Will you? And thank you so much, yeah. But you know, you are taking statistics now here, and you know who I am, right? But some other students, they didn't take statistics yet. They don't know who I am. Probably just delete. Just delete is my email, right? What I want to say, you know, actually I want to get the math scores from the population, from all students in UAFS, but it is not easy. It's most of the time it is not easy. It's many reasons. So big, so many students, or some kind of the private things, so it is not easy. So now in statistics, we are going to take the sample. We are going to take the sample. Can you see that one? The definition of the sample? It is a part of the population. You are part of the population because you are students, UFS, right? And you registered for 2020. So a part of the population, we can say it is the sample. And when I asked her, yeah, she said, yeah, you will. Yeah, you will give me your score. Will you? Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Now it is easy because simply I can say the sample is a very small group. So now I can take care of them. Okay? So when I ask your math score, then what? But it's actually, I want to know not this one. I want to know not this one, but this one. The math score in the population. So now I can estimate. What does it mean, estimate? Guess. Yeah, it's a guess. Let me ask you. How do you think? How old am I? How much? 30 something? Thank you. How do you think? 34?
38.
38. Still good. Still good.
I would say 38 too.
38 too?
Like 45.
45? Yeah, he's getting older. Yeah, because she knew it. Yeah, my reaction was so happy, right? The 30s, so happy. So now it's a 45, but still good. Thank you. Yeah. Now, how do you think?
47.
47 is going up, right?
39.
Come on. You lied. Just kidding. I am 48. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I love you. Yeah. Get estimation. You didn't know. How old am I, right? So, underestimate. Thank you so much, right? But see, whenever I ask you, you saw my reactions, right? So happy and thank you. So appreciate. So it's guessing age is getting older, right? That is a statistic, because of the sample, because always we are going to take the sample. Always we estimate. Always we guess what we want to know in the population. What does that mean? Always we have some errors. Always. The goal in statistics, minimize the errors. Yeah, you are so smart. Yeah, you did a good job. Because when you have more information, for example, it's my reactions. So you can estimate, you can guess, order. It's getting close to the true answer. That is a statistic. Now, let me ask you, don't lie. How old am I now? 48. How did you know that? I told you, right? Now, you know how old am I. No error. 48, yes. What does it mean? We don't need the statistics anymore. We knew it. Please look at the outside. Raining? No. It's true. It's a fact. Sunshine. It's a good weather outside. How about tomorrow? Huh?
We don't know.
We don't know. Right? But let me go to the weather.com. Okay, tonight, 10%. Tonight, 10% chance, the rain. What do you expect?
All right.
No rain. You do not trust the statistics. Yes. Why? 10%. I'm sorry. 10% is a very small chance. But who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows, right? But statistically, we are going to have only 10% tonight. We can expect probably no rain. Okay? So in this case, in future, we need the statistics. But now, yesterday, already we knew it. We don't need any statistics. No error. We knew it, right? Yeah. So please understand why do we need the statistics, right? And you know, this one is a very simple picture, but it is almost everything in statistics. So in this course, as we are going to discuss how can we take care of the sample. But remember, even we are using the sample, but we focus on is something in the population. That is what we want to know in the population. But unfortunately, we don't know anything. As we don't know anything in the population. So because of that, we just take a part of the population. So that is the big problem. But that is the best way. That is the best way to research, to do something, because we cannot take care of the population. So, and always we have some errors. And the main goal in statistics is the minimizing the error. Sounds good?